Hello and welcome to this lesson in the Writer's Guide to Free Write. In this class, we'll explore the underestimated power of writing prompts and their role in overcoming writer's block and boosting creativity for writers at any stage. You'll learn how these simple tools provide a structure to practice writing, help to navigate creative obstacles, and awaken dormant areas of your imagination. Most of us remember sitting in an English composition class, staring at the prompt on the board, trying to pass the time the teacher set aside for the writing exercise. Or maybe you were an aspiring author who thrived during that part of class, but you've not tried similar writing exercises outside of school. While many adults dismiss the idea of using writing prompts as something intended for children or beginners, this couldn't be further from the truth. In case you've never encountered writing prompts, here's a quick rundown. A writing prompt is a short, succinct piece of content designed to center and guide your writing session. The prompt could be anything: a question, a statement, a theme, premise, or even a picture. Its purpose is not to tell you what to write. It's simply to give you something to focus on. We like to think of it as structured daydreaming. And it's a powerful tool that can inspire and challenge writers of all levels. Most importantly, writing prompts can help you push through writer's block. Focusing on the creation of something you never intend to share can be a simple way of letting go of the inner critic and simply creating. And it might later become something you do share. By engaging with prompts regularly, writers can train their minds to bypass blocks and access their creativity more readily. Writing prompts also provide structure for writing practice. Writing prompts provide a guidebook and a direction in which you can guide the initial hurdle of getting started. Writing prompts also awaken little used corners of your imagination, because writing at its core is an exercise in creativity, and a prompt provides that unexpected spot from which to launch into uncharted territory. A poet might find inspiration in a prompt tailored for prose, and a fiction writer might discover a penchant for flash fiction through a succinct prompt. And they also hone your writing skills. Like any skill, writing requires consistent practice to improve and maintain proficiency. Writing prompts offer a structure for that practice. By committing to writing within set parameters, be it word count, theme, or format, you can develop discipline and routine. Whether you're an established author seeking new ideas or simply looking to explore the joys of writing, writing prompts will push the limits of your imagination and help you write when you don't think you can. Finding writing prompts. There are plenty of writing prompt resources online, but we recommend finding a curated solution that you can be sure of the quality and the content. You can find free writing prompts to get started on our blog, or if you prefer to stay off your computer and away from distractions, our Words Are Hard writing prompt deck is available at our website. And this collection has 150 thought-provoking prompts that span 8 writing genres. You can awaken every corner of your imagination. How to use writing prompts. Here's a quick guide on how to use writing prompts. Number 1, choose a prompt that resonates with you. Don't waste time trying to pick. If you have decision fatigue, pick one at random and commit to it. Number 2, set a goal. Say, I'm going to write for 20 minutes, or set a timer. I'm going to write 500 words and write until you reach that goal. If you're unsure how to get started, set a timer for 10 minutes and write until it goes off. We bet you'll want to keep writing afterwards. Number 3, start writing. Don't worry about perfect sentence or grammar. Let your imagination roam, exploring unique interpretations of the prompt, and avoid editing during this stage. And number 4, reflect. How do you feel? Is your imagination alert? Is the creativity flowing? Keep writing if you're in the zone, or review what you've written so far and look for ideas or storylines that may be worth exploring in another session. Try writing prompts for yourself. Writing prompts are a sharp weapon in the fight against writer's block, enriching your writing journey in ways you could have never imagined. So the next time you find yourself stuck, don't hesitate to pick up a writing prompt and let your creativity soar. Thanks for joining us in this lesson. Write on.